How to make your Asus laptop faster. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys 4 ways to make your Asus laptop faster. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your task manager. In order to do that, you can right click on your taskbar and you will see task manager right here. Just click on task manager, and now on the left side of your screen you will see different tabs right here. You just want to find the startup tab, so just click on startup apps, and you just have to find some of the apps that are enabled, that's enabled startup. So right here, here is this file called Proton Drive. It's enabled right now, so you are just going to disable it. So you're just going to find some of the files that are whose startups are enabled. So you just want to disable all of the unnecessary startups. This will increase the performance of your PC significantly. So this is the first method. The second method that you can do is optimize your drives. In order to do that, head over to your search bar and search for defragmentation and optimize drives. So just click on it. Now you will see a list of all of the drives that are available on your PC here. Now you're just going to click on your default drive. That is, mine is C drive. So once you click on it, click on optimize. And once you do this, your drive will be optimized. So the third method that you want to do is clear out all of your junk files and folders. And in order to do that, you first have to open your run dialog box and you're going to search for prefetch right here. So just click on OK. And what you're going to do is just click on one and select all, Control A, and then you are going to shift delete all of them. Now the folder has been empty. And the other thing that you can do is go ahead and search for temp. This is also a folder which contains all of the junk files, so you're just going to do the same, Control A and Shift Delete, and you're going to skip for these items right here. And finally, you are going to search for percent, 10%, so just search for percent, 10% right here, and it will open up another folder, so just do the same for these as well. And once you do this, all of your junk files and folders should be cleaned up. And finally, what you can do is go ahead and search for system configuration and open up your system configuration. Now you just want to disable all of the unnecessary services from here. So just head over to Services tab and make sure to hide all Microsoft services because those are all of the important ones. So let's say if you don't want to use any of the unnecessary services that are available here, you are just going to disable them and then click on apply and then OK. So you can restart your PC once after you've done this. I'm just going to exit without restart. And that's basically 4 ways to make your laptop faster. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.